On today's video, we are going to learn how to play the song Happy Birthday on ukulele. Welcome to the video. My name is Yuki. I post ukulele tutorial videos, tips, tricks, and techniques on how to play ukulele and sing at the same time. I have 5 different patterns that I'm going to share with you today. Before we proceed to the tutorial, make sure that your ukulele is in tune. And if you do not know how to tune your ukulele, make sure to follow the link on this card. The chords that we're going to use for this song are D, A, and G. Alright, so this is our first string, second string, third string, fourth string. This is our first, second, third, fourth finger. And for frets, this is the first fret, second fret, third, fourth, and so forth. For the D chord, we're going to need our first, second, and third finger. First finger goes to the fourth string, second fret. Third finger goes to the third string, second fret, and the third finger goes to the second string, second fret. That's D. Alright, for A, we're going to need the first and second finger. First finger goes to the third string, first fret. Second finger goes to the fourth string, second fret. And that's A. For the G chord, we're going to need the first, second, and third finger. First finger goes to the third string, second fret. Second finger goes to the first string, second fret. And the third finger goes to the second string, third fret. There you go. So we got D, A, and G. Alright, for the first pattern, I'm going to show you just the downstroke, one single downstroke per chord. So the song goes, happy birth, you go in the birth, happy birthday to, switch to A, you, happy birthday to, go back to D, D to you, happy, D again, birthday dear, whatever name you want to use. I'm going to use Papa, my Papa. Dear Papa, which is G. Then happy, go back to D, one stroke. 2, 2 is going to be A, back to D. You. Alright, so let's do it from the top again. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday to you. Simple. So when you practice it, make sure you can practice it by just saying the song instead of singing it, just so you know exactly where it's going. So happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Papa. You can do a little break there. Happy birthday to you. There you go. That's the first pattern, you guys. Alright, go ahead and practice that first pattern. Just downstroke through the entire song. And then come back, alright? Alright, so for this next pattern, it's going to be as simple as the first one, but we're adding a few strokes. So this one is going to be 4 downstrokes. 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright? Alright, let's try that with this song. Happy 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. See that? The last part. 4, 3. I move to A, 2, 1, D. That's it. So if you cannot sing yet with a song, at least say the song, like speak it. Let's do from the very top of the song. You can either speak the song if you're not used to singing while playing it, or you can sing it. All right? So let's do a combination. I'm gonna speak the first part of the song, then I'm gonna sing the second part of it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, you. Happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday to you. Feel free to pause this again before you move on to the third pattern. So we learned the first pattern, which is just one downstroke. And we learn the second pattern, which is the 4 downstrokes. Come back after you practice those 2 patterns. For the third pattern, it is going to be another strumming pattern. And it goes like this. Down, down, up, down, up. All right? Once again. Down, down, up, down, up. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday to you. Alright, so for that last part, it goes like happy, down, down, up, and A, down, up, and back to D, down. Again, happy, D, down, down, up, A, down, up, back to D. 1 downstroke, all right? Let's try that part again. Happy birthday to you. That's it, you guys. So far you have learned 3 different strumming patterns. So practice those 3. And when you come back, we're going to do another 2 patterns. But this is going to be finger picking patterns. All right? Pause this video and come back. We are now on our 4th pattern, you guys. So this is going to be a finger picking pattern. This 4th pattern is probably my go-to finger picking pattern. And as I have mentioned a while ago, this is going to be the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th string. You're going to use these 4 fingers on your right hand. If you notice, my right hand has longer fingernails. My left hand is definitely trimmed. At first, I was like, oh, there's no way I'm gonna do that. When I saw people like do it, and I'm like, that looks so weird. But I'm like, now, I like it because it sounds a lot better when I have fingernails, as opposed to just using the tip of my fingers, you know? But anyways, that's your choice. If you wanna grow your right hand fingers, and not grow the left one, is up to you. But definitely I suggest to always trim the left fingernails because it's easier to play. So let's move on to the 4th pattern, and it's finger picking pattern. It's gonna be this 4 finger. So the thumb goes on the 4th string, the index finger goes on the 3rd string, the middle finger goes on the 2nd string, and the ring finger goes to the 1st string. Goes like that. All right? So you're going to keep it like that. Sometimes I anchor this here, sometimes I just keep it up, whatever you feel. So this finger picking pattern goes like this. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Let's try that with singing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday to you. All right, I'm gonna show you that last part. Happy, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, go to A, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, go to D, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, then just one down strum. Happy birthday to you. That is the 4th pattern, you guys. So once again, pause this video and come back, and I'm going to show you the 5th pattern. All right, now that you're back, we're gonna do the 5th pattern, and it's another finger picking pattern, you guys. To be honest with you, I really love finger picking pattern. I really try to challenge myself to find new different patterns, but this one I really love, and I would love to really share this with you. The first finger picking pattern that I showed you, the 4, 3, 2, 1, is probably my go-to, but this one I'm starting to kind of like use this more often. Once again, this is your 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th string. You're going to use these 2 fingers, your thumb and your index finger, and it goes like this. So 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1. That's right, you're going to do it 2 times. Just these 2 fingers. So you're going to rest the other finger here, or however you want to do it. I usually kind of tend to hold my ukulele like this, and I put my fingers on the ukulele, or sometimes it's just like hanging like that. It's just really up to you guys on how you want to do it, but build a good habit. If you feel like that feels good to you, so you can rest your fingers there, do it. And if not, just be patient. You'll find what's best for you. Happy 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, A, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, A again, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, back to D, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, D again, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, G, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, D, 4, 2, 3, 1, A, 4, 2, 3, 1, D, 4, 2, 3, 1. Do you notice in the last part, you only did 1 time of the 4, 2, 3, 1 on D? Because that's the happy birthday to you. I like to just throw in a little strum there. Oh, let's do the entire song for this 5th pattern, finger picking style. 4, 2, 3, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday to you. All right, you guys, that's 5 patterns that you learned today. 3 strumming patterns and 2 finger picking patterns. So now go ahead and rewind whichever you want to practice back. I would definitely start from the very first pattern down to the 5th pattern. Don't go skipping, you guys. I know some of you are going to be probably going to skip the first pattern, but it's super important that you start from the very, very easiest way, just so you get yourself to actually play ukulele and sing at the same time. And to be able to do that, you gotta do the easy strumming pattern first before you move on to the little bit challenging strumming pattern, or even on the finger picking pattern. Make sure that you practice the easiest first, and try to be comfortable singing and playing first before you move on to the next pattern. And then keep practicing on whichever that you feel that you're having weaknesses. Try to practice more on that. If you feel like you're really, really good in strumming, then practice the finger picking patterns. And if you're really, really good in finger picking patterns and you can't sing while you strum, just like me, I actually learned how to sing first with finger picking pattern while playing before I learned, strumming and singing at the same time. It's different. Everyone is different. So Now I'm trying to practice more of my strumming and singing at the same time, because I know that I can sing while I'm finger picking. So do you guys practice, 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 because practice makes progress. And make sure to enjoy what you're doing. And if you're not enjoying it, that means you need to find a new thing to do, like, you know, find another song, find another strumming pattern, find another finger picking pattern. Try to challenge yourself every time, because once you get to that plateau and you get bored, you're just gonna not pick up your ukulele, because you already know what to do and how to sing and play, and then you're gonna get bored. Make sure you always keep it sparkling and always make it interesting, and always challenge yourself. You know, I get to a point that sometimes I'm like, oh, I know how to play that. But then again, try to play the song from top to bottom. Can you actually play and sing the song from the beginning to the very end of the song without looking at the chord progression, or without even like reading the lyrics? I am guilty about that. I do not like to memorize lyrics. I still read pretty much most of the songs that I learn. I still read the lyrics, but I try to memorize at least the chord progression. So it's up to you guys. That's a challenge for me to memorize lyrics. So I'm probably gonna start to try to memorize lyrics. So find your weaknesses and also praise your strengths, and make strengths. I can't even pronounce it. Strengths. There you go. I think I said it right. And celebrate your strengths and really show it. Record a video. Watch yourself. Show it to your friends and tell them, hey, I'm starting how to learn. Hey, I know how to play Happy Birthday. You know, who knows how to play Happy Birthday with 5 different patterns? You do. So, and if not right now, you will. So keep practicing, and I'm here for you guys. And as usual, let's learn together. If you do like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and remember to share this video to someone you love. If you do want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to this channel. Let's learn together. Let's learn together. All right. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you very much for your time. Maraming salamat po. Mwah!